Stop saying I am tired. Here are 3 words that say it better and make you sound instantly smarter. Word 1, exhausted. EXHAUSTED. Exhausted means completely drained of energy, not just a little tired, completely finished. Instead of saying, I am very tired after school, say, I am exhausted after school. Feel the difference? Much stronger. Word 2, drained. DRAINED. Drained means all your energy has been used up, like a phone battery at 0%. Instead of, I am tired after that exam, say, I feel completely drained after that exam. Word 3, fatigued. FATIGUED. Fatigued means physically or mentally worn out. Instead of, I was very tired during the journey, say, I was fatigued during the journey. Now, the 3 levels. Level 1, tired. Everyone says this. Level 2, exhausted. Good students say this. Level 3, fatigued. Use these in your essays. Use these in your exams. Use these every single day. Follow Mind Minto for more new words. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you learned something new. And tell me, which word will you use first?